If you are going to Kabukicho from the JR line, you might transfer at Takadanobaba Station. This is where many people get stuck in this station. They don't know which gate to use. So they go downstairs. And exit the station. Then they walk outside. And enter again. But you don't need to do that. You can use a transfer gate. This is not a regular exit gate. It's a transfer gate for changing to another railway company. This gate is only for transferring between lines. So even if you pass through this gate, you do not go outside. You are still inside the station. This gate is only for transferring between lines. Takadanobaba Station is the 8th busiest station in the world, and it's more complicated than you think. If you are going to Kabukicho, this route is easier. So, if your route takes you to Takadanobaba on the way to Kabukicho, just remember this. Stay inside. Use transfer gate. Don't exit too early. If you want to see this in a much bigger station, watch my Shinjuku guide. Matane!